Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some super cute Sanrio nails. These, I can't really pronounce the name, but it's the little cute dog. They're super simple, really perfect for spring and summer. Definitely let me know what you think down below, and let's get right into making those. Okay, so I'm taking these two rosin gel polishes. It's a light yellow and a pale green. These are the numbers right there. It's from the mini 100 piece kit. I have a video on that. So I already painted up the two coats. I did 2 coats of each color, and I top coated them, and I'm putting on these ridiculous gloves because they're a little bit too big, but whatever. I just skipped through the painting because I thought it was kind of repetitive, and I just wanted to focus in on the decoration and the charming up of the nails. So here's the first hand that I did off camera. So I'm going to recreate that on this hand, and I'm going to take my favorite rhinestone glue, which is from Shein. It's a dupe for the Macart if you're interested, and I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna be putting blobs of glue on the nails and making sure I'm putting enough because I don't want any gaps and I don't want any charms falling off. These gel extensions are from Temu. They are ultra short coffins. I just really like using short nails sometimes for when I'm doing like cutesy charmed up nails, because I don't know, there's just something about it. It just looks so cute on short nails. So I'm taking some pearls, putting them around that cute little Sanrio dog whose name I can't say, and I'm just flash curing quickly so he doesn't move anywhere, and I'm just going to continue on with the rest. I do recommend, I like to pick out my charms beforehand, which I've showed in a video. In like my last video, I showed how I do that, and I put it in just one of these little containers. You could put it in whatever you want, and it just keeps me on track, and so I feel more organized with what I'm going to be using for the set. So if you haven't tried like picking out your charms beforehand, I definitely recommend trying that out, because it just makes it a lot easier to know what you pretty much think you're going to use. I don't know, I just like to do it. And I don't remember if I said I did top coat as well. It's a no wipe top coat. I like to top coat before I charm and after I charm because I don't want anything going anywhere, and it just kind of really seals everything in, and I just prefer it that way. I feel like I say that in every video, I'm sorry. But yeah, so I am just going to keep doing this. They're very minimal, very simple, but yet really cute at the same time. And I cure this rhinestone glue for 60 seconds in my big lamp. It's a 130 watt lamp that I got from Amazon. It works really, really good. I love it. So yes, 60-second cures. And these gel polishes are so good. I could have gotten away with doing 1 coat. I just did 2. Just because I kind of felt like I had to. I don't know why. But, oh, and I love that star so much. How cute are those sparkly stars? They're from Temu. I'm going to definitely need to get more of those when I do a purchase. But I'm kind of on a no-buy right now because I have so much nail stuff. It's like really crazy. So I'm trying to control myself a little bit. But yeah, that's why you haven't seen a Temu haul in a while. But don't worry, I'm sure one will come in the very near future. Yeah, but again, these gel polishes have such good coverage. I posted before this video me doing like strawberry summer Japanese inspired nails, and the red, oh my god, it has such beautiful 1 coat coverage. Like, I can't even believe. I definitely recommend rosin polishes, and I definitely want to try more of them for sure because I'm very pleased with that set that I bought. So I'm just moving on. This one's getting a pearl heart. I like to try to make a heart shape and kind of just push it down as best I can, and then fill it in with more glue as I feel needed. Just make sure you press down. I also wanted to say we are almost at 900 subscribers. I believe I'm at like 870, and thank you guys so much. I'm so excited. I am so excited for my goal of 1K. Like, I am literally dying. I can't wait to reach 1K. It just kind of, I don't know, it's just a big milestone for me. I honestly never thought that I would even get as many subscribers as I have now. So I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much. If you enjoy my content, if you subscribed, if you're an old subscriber, a new subscriber, Big hug to you. Thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. And if you could give this video a thumbs up, maybe share it, I would appreciate it with my whole heart. If you're a fellow nail girly and you do that for me, I love you so much. I just want to share my love of nails with as many people as I can. So if you could do that for me, I would appreciate it so much. And if you're still here listening to me, comment me down below some green hearts and some dog emojis, so I know that you were here listening to me talk. And I'm also thinking about kind of branching out just a tiny bit to see how it does. I want to do a makeup bag cleaning video because my makeup bag is humongous. It's one of the giant ones from Amazon. And it's literally overflowing, and I just thought that would be a fun video because I sometimes like to watch that type of stuff. And then I was thinking like a closet organizational video, and like, I don't know, because my clothes are such a mess right now, and I just, maybe that will give me the little push to actually organize it. Let me know down below what you think, if that sounds like a fun, good idea for a video. And if not, you can let me know that as well too. But just some things I was thinking. And yeah, so that's my top coat, but it's actually this one right here, which you can get on Shein, so you can like refill your bottles. I go through so many top coats, so much top coat, it's literally insane. So I am just going to thoroughly top coat these because I don't want to lose any of my beautiful cutesy charms, and I want them to last. And then I cure that for 60 seconds. And yeah, so how is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing great, having a fabulous day, enjoying your summer or whatever season it is where you are now. I assume most of you are from the United States. Let me know down below where you're from. I would love to hear and find out more about you guys. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm just top coating. I think that watching top coating often is like really satisfying, especially when you're top coating and sealing in charms. It's just something about it, guys. But yeah, I hope that you're enjoying these press-on videos. I do have quite a few Gel X videos and some collaborations with a couple of companies, like Novo Ovo, Born Pretty, Nail Reserve LA coming up in the future. So I am going to be doing a lot more Gel X very, very soon. But yeah, that's just the scoop on that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you so much. I hope you watched till the end to see both hands completed. And big hug, big kiss. Thank you so much for all your support. And I will see you in the next video. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me how you're doing. Tell me where you're from. Tell me what you think of my video ideas. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.